Hello friends, today we are going to discuss a very small topic called cable ferrule. Electrically it is very important. From the ferrule itself we can identify which cable is connected to which type of applications. Is a very important actually top applications. So starting this, just like childrens are studying like A, B, C, D. So similar way we can remember it, just like A for apple, B for ball. Electrically we can say A, B, C, D, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, R, S, U, X, Y, like that. Cable ferrule start with this type of letter. From that letter we can identify which cable is connected to which type of applications. So we'll start with this letter A, B, C and D. That means these are all CT connected cable. These are all CT connected cable. This all belongs to CT. So A actually for it is actually the protection core, that is the primary protections. Primary protection means for transformer it may be differential, it may be restricted at fault, or in generator also it may be differential. For a line it may be distance protections. B for actually it is called bus bar protection will be there. If we are having bus bar protection relay, then that cable ferrule will start with B. Then C is the actually backup protection. C is the backup protection. Overcurrent and earth fault, these are all called as backup protection. Only for metering core. Wherever you find a D ferrule is there, starting with D, it is a metering core or it is a metering core CT. So ABCD means it is connected to CT, it is connected to current transformer. Like that, if you have a ferrule start with E, it is definitely is a PT connections or PT core. So start with E. Next, if you see, if it is H, then it is AC connection is there. Like that, if you have J, then it is a DC connections. Practically, I will show you how ferrules are utilized in control relay panel. And if it is a K, it is a control circuit. If it is L, it is called indication circuit. Like that, this is a control circuit, so breakers on, off and other logical circuit we are using this K ferrule. L for indication, breaker is on condition, off condition, or trip happen, auto trip is there, all these are coming under L ferrule is there. Next is your actually X will start with TB number. Terminal block number start with X, X01, X02, X101 like that. So TB number. So actually I have to tell this thing lastly. AM will come. This is the motor supply. Spring charging motor is there means motor supply cable. And like that, U means it is circuit breaker auxiliary contacts. Circuit breakers auxiliary contacts. Maybe spare contacts like that. U will come. X will stand for already I told. TB number will come. N will be found in the RTCC panel or the on-load tap changer is there. In RTCC panel you will find N ferrule will be there. That will be the tap changer connection denoted in AC neutral. This is called N. N also AC neutral also come with N. So RTCC panel you will find N ferrule will come. So these are all common actually uh, like uh, this is CT and this is the PT connection, or maybe CBT or IBT, whatever may be. This is the AC. J for DC. J start with odd number, suppose 1, 3, like that means this is positive. And even number start with 2, 4, like that means it is a negative. So this is DC. K for control circuits. L for indication circuit. This is control circuit, indication circuit. X is the TB number. M for the motor supply. U for the TB auxiliary contacts. N for generally you will find the on-load tape changer will be there. RTCC panel you will find that. Remote tape changer control panel you will find that. N Ferrule will come. Also AC neutral also denoted sometimes in N. So these are all Ferrules. So easily we can remember it, just like ABCD. E, H, J, K, L, M, N, U, X. So practically we'll see how Ferrules are important and how easily we can identify which cable is connected for which type of applications. So we'll take an example of this transformer incomer panels. So if you look inside, a lot of fuse will be there. Cartridge fuse, next disconnecting type TB will be there, MCB will be there, contactors will be there, and the relays and all accessories will be there. If you see the TB here, all disconnecting type TB are CT and PT. And if you see here, CT will start with ABCD. So you can see here, inside A core is there. A core meaning is it is the CT, that is the primary protection core. So for transformer differential protection is used. B, that is the E written as E means it is a PT core, that is PT supply, MCB, main PT supply. J1, J2 for J for actually it is DC, main source of DC, J1 and J2. So J1 means 1 means odd numbers means it is the positive and it will be negative. J1, J2. Indication core. All LL written that is for indication circuits. All KK written as that is for the control circuits. This is the 3 PT phase actually. That PT supply indication is there. So it's come with E Ferrules. So all are PT. Like that service position indications and test position indications all will start with L. You can start to see here L. Spring charge will come with H only. H Ferrule is there. This one. Circuit supply circuit is there means definitely it will come with H. Next is your heater circuit also H, AC. Next is your motor circuit also with AC, so it will start with H. So H, you can see. Next is your auxiliary supply, that is for relay, everything is PT supply requirements, that is E PT supply. L means announcer indication circuit, L. This is also indication circuit, annunciation indication circuit start with L. Whereas this is the trip circuit and close circuit. These are all CT cables, and the Ferrule you can see here starting with A. A150, A170 is there. Now you can see A210, A230. These are all, this is a transformer control relay panel. So these cables are used for the primary protection of the differential protections. Now you can see here C Ferrule is there. That is for the overcurrent and hard fault protections. This is a MFM or multifunction meters. You can see here, this is the PT supply given here. The Ferrule start with E. So these are all three are PT supply. This is start with D. That is the metering core. You can see D 113, 114, 34. This is S1, S2, S1, S2 like that. S1, S2. So these 6 cables belongs to the CT. So it start with the metering core CT. Like that you can see here one MCB is there. That Ferrule start with E. That is the PT MCB actually. The 4-pole MCB is there. That E30, 11, 31, 51, 71. 4-pole MCB is there. This is belongs to the PT core actually. So similar to that Ferrule later start with ABCD. Similar to that MCB also, miniature circuit bus breaker also, rating start with this like C63 is there, you can see here. Similarly B10, D20 like that, K, Z, these are all core base. That means how much current, overload current it can tolerate, that range is there. Suppose A category MCB are there. This is a 2-pole MCB, single pole, 2-pole, 3-pole, 4-pole MCB will come. So the A start with A means A10 or A20 means that is the 2 to 3 times overload range it can take. Tripping time is instantaneous. And application generally semiconductor device. B range is generally in household residential building we are using. It will take 3 to 5 times the rated currents. That means suppose B10 is there, 30 to 50 amps range it can tolerate. So tripping time is 0.04 seconds to 13 seconds time it will take time for tripping. Higher the current, tripping time will be reduced. So that is used for lighting or residential building. C category means 5 to 10 times it will take, and the tripping time will be 0.04 to 5 seconds. You can see here C category tripping time is less and is used for residential and commercial purpose. D category means 10 to 20 times it will take. Again the tripping time we see it is reducing now and is applicable for motor or transformer applications. With K means it will take actually 8 to 12 times the current and it will trip less than 0.1 second and it is applicable for motor and transformer applications. Z actually later start with MCB means it will take 2 to 3 times but it will trip in 0.1 seconds, nearly 100 millisecond it will trip. So it is applicable for, or it is PLC or semiconductor device we are applying. You can see here Z and A are both are current overload rating is same, but it is tripping instantaneously if it is crossing 3 times or more, but it is taking some delay, 100 milliseconds delay it will trip. This is the application of ABCD in MCB.